Did you know that just 1 gram of antimatter contains enough energy to completely level an entire city? This makes antimatter the most powerful substance in the known universe. When scientists first discovered antimatter annihilation, they found it releases 10,000 times more energy than nuclear fusion. Here's what makes it so terrifying. When matter and antimatter collide, they completely destroy each other. 100% of their mass converts into pure energy, following Einstein's famous equation. A spacecraft powered by antimatter engines could reach 40% the speed of light using fuel smaller than a marble. But creating just 1 gram would require all of Earth's electricity production for millions of years. If you dropped that single gram of antimatter, the explosion would equal 43,000 tons of TNT. That's roughly 3 times more powerful than the bomb dropped on Hiroshima, the most powerful force in the universe contained in something lighter than a paperclip.